simple woodworking project ideas that can be turned into profitable business ventures. These projects are designed to be accessible for both novice and experienced woodworkers, allowing for creativity while also providing the potential for profit. Hey there, woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever thought about turning your passion for woodworking into a profitable business, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some fantastic, simple woodworking project ideas that not only unleash your creativity, but also have great potential for profit. In this video, we'll explore a variety of projects that are easy to make, require minimal tools, and can be customized to fit your style and market demand. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your woodworking journey or an experienced craftsman seeking new ideas, there's something here for everyone. From home decor and furniture to personalized gifts and outdoor items, we'll cover projects that are in high demand and can attract a wide range of customers. Plus, I'll share tips on how to market these items effectively to maximize your sales. So grab your tools, let's get inspired, and turn those woodworking dreams into reality. Don't forget to stick around until the end for some bonus tips on pricing your projects and reaching potential customers. Let's get started. Starting with home decor items, you can create a range of wooden signs, picture frames, and wall art. Personalized wooden signs have become increasingly popular, especially those that include family names or inspirational quotes. These can be made from reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly touch. Picture frames can be crafted in various styles, rustic, modern, or vintage, offering something for every taste. Wall art can include wooden sculptures or geometric designs that appeal to contemporary decor trends. Next, consider furniture pieces. Simple projects like side tables, stools, or benches can be both functional and aesthetically pleasing. These items can be made from solid wood or plywood and can be customized with different stains or paints to suit customer preferences. Small, modular furniture pieces that are easy to assemble and transport can be especially appealing for urban dwellers with limited space. Garden and outdoor items are another profitable avenue. Birdhouses, planters, and garden benches are popular among homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Wooden planters can be designed in various shapes and sizes, catering to different types of plants. DIY birdhouses can be decorative and functional, attracting various bird species and adding charm to gardens. Kids' toys are a timeless woodworking project that can yield high returns. Simple wooden toys like blocks, puzzles, or pull-along animals can be made from safe, non-toxic materials. These toys not only encourage imaginative play, but also appeal to parents looking for durable, eco-friendly options for their children. Consider creating storage solutions as well. Wooden storage boxes, shelves, and organizers can cater to a wide range of needs. Customized storage solutions for specific items, such as toys, books, or tools, can attract buyers looking for functional yet stylish options. These can be marketed to families, hobbyists, or anyone looking to declutter their space. Seasonal decorations are another profitable idea. Wooden ornaments for holidays, such as Christmas or Halloween, can be crafted and sold. Items like wooden snowflakes, pumpkins, or Easter decorations can appeal to customers looking to enhance their festive decor. These projects often require minimal materials and can be created in batches, maximizing profit margins. Pet products can also be a lucrative niche. Items like wooden dog beds, cat trees, or pet feeders can be designed with both functionality and style in mind. Pet owners are often willing to invest in quality products that enhance their pet's comfort and well-being. Customization options, such as engraving pets' names, can add a personal touch that attracts buyers. Additionally, consider making kitchen items. Wooden cutting boards, serving trays, and utensils are always in demand. High-quality, handcrafted kitchen items can command higher prices, especially when made from durable woods like maple or walnut. Custom engraving or personalized items can further entice customers looking for unique gifts. For those interested in crafty projects, think about making wooden puzzles or games. These can be designed for both children and adults, offering a fun, engaging product that stands out in the market. Unique designs or themed puzzles can attract niche audiences, from educational toys for kids to intricate puzzles for adults. Lastly, DIY kits can be an innovative product line. Creating kits that include all the materials and instructions needed for customers to build their own projects can tap into the growing DIY market. These kits can range from simple items like birdhouses to more complex furniture pieces, appealing to a wide audience looking for hands-on activities. Overall, there are numerous woodworking project ideas that can be transformed into profitable business ventures. By focusing on quality, creativity, and market trends, you can carve out a niche in the woodworking industry. Whether you choose to sell online, at local markets, or through custom orders, the key is to find projects that resonate with your skills and passions while also meeting the needs of potential customers. Thanks for joining me today as we explored some simple yet profitable woodworking project ideas. I hope you found inspiration in these projects and feel excited to start creating your own unique pieces. Remember, the key to turning your woodworking hobby into a successful business lies in your creativity and how you market your work. Whether it's crafting personalized items, building functional furniture, or creating beautiful home decor, there's a demand out there just waiting for your talent. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more woodworking tips, tricks, and project ideas. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What projects are you most excited to try?